Hello and welcome. Hey, Kevin Evans, right away. Welcome, welcome. Pretty sure I'm logged in here. So, I was just trying to get things in line here. We got some music, not a lot, only 5 songs. This one says it's 24 seconds, and I put 10 seconds. I guess I don't know what 10 seconds is when I'm making these. They're all 23 seconds. So we can work with that, right? I think. I don't know. Maybe not. Oops. I didn't mean to click that. Nice. Nice. All right. So we have those 5 uploaded. We were working on the battle. And the idea was that I would play one of those randomly. And I was thinking of having it at top level. So having another mixer. Yeah, so we would have another one of these. And then another selector. So I want the random selector. We created one, right? I thought we created one. We didn't create one? Could have. Oh, yeah, right here. We can get rid of that when. All right. Oops. We need items too. Also. Oops. Bring that over. Oh my gosh, we have. Okay, I need to figure this out. This mixer, then I have a sequencer, another sequencer. So these two are mixing. And then I just have a selector. So we will this will be actually closed here. And then this mixer needs to be down here. Like so. Hey, Oxygen Box, welcome.
Thanks. It's good to be here.
I don't know, Oxygen Box sounded like A. I did not hear any sounds. It may be because I messed something up. But if you have been following me, you would know. Hey, there we go. I guess horn doesn't work. If you've been following me, you would know that my 3090 got fried. So still no word from that, but yeah. All right, so we want an audio like so. So you're talking about the hosted. So what I actually did is just I went on my own AWS, and I'm going to use CloudFront in front of it. So I uploaded certain things to S3 on this S3 that I want to have access. Too many windows open. Access in here. Instead of like passing it through the data data whatever structure, instead of using that, I wanted to just put this put the URL in like this right in here. We need to get rid of this. We need to get rid of that. No, they gave me some ideas, but oops, dang it. I don't know. Anyone else have this problem? Oh, jeez. I need to put HTTPS. Copying and pasting everything. Yes. Yes, I agree with you. There, it is frustrating. 100%. And going back is not working. I mean, S3 is pretty cheap. I don't think I've actually had any problems with all my S3 buckets. Which one am I looking for? This one. So that I don't have a problem with. It's Dynamo. I I hate that you have to cool. I just don't like the that you don't have full access to Dynamo. You should have full access to Dynamo to be able to see your items and stuff like that. And I'm also really wondering what I'm going to store on there, because I might actually be storing more items onto Airtable so I can actually have access to those items outside of the skill. Because I want to make a companion app. So, and speaking of companion apps, those of you who've been watching or on Twitter, this is my NFT generator. I suppose I could see it. I could probably mint one. I don't need this open anymore. Have my nice animations and this this thing on the background I did. You haven't figured out how to clear it? Oh, I can show you how to do that. I'll show you that in a minute. Did it error out? I don't know what happened. We'll go show you how to do that. Oh, thanks, Kevin Evans. Gifting a subscription to Oxygen Box. That's awesome. So what you do is go to your code tab. Go to your Dynamo database. I'll even delete it. And it gives you all these databases, but this doesn't matter right here. Where you go over to items. This one you might have to go through a couple, but I know exactly which one it is. But all these other ones don't have anything in them. So it's kind of easy for me. And I also can tell that this is the items for my Space Marauders. Blanking. Then if you have multiple, you would click on this, and then you go over actions and delete items, and that clears your database. You're starting from fresh. I do this multiple times when developing, because especially in hosted, because you can't test anything unless you can't see if they're actually coming in here unless you're console logging the whole thing, or you are seeing things happen like they should. And it's remembering certain things. So yeah. So hopefully that clarifies everything. So items, make sure you find it in the list here. Oh, I do have one here. Play computer. Play PvP. So this must have been for Cards of Wonder. Cool. But yeah. All right. I'm glad we all learned something. All right, so I'm just going to copy this 5 times because we have 5 audio tracks now. Actually, one of them is not for here, so I'm going to only put 4 in here. Downtown Seoul is 1. I'm going to go back to my S3. Oh, crap. This is my S3 bucket on hosted. Can I go to IAM and give myself permissions? You don't have a permission to... Yeah, I know. I need this. Give me it. Okay, well, let's go to my list here instead. And I'll just copy this. All right, let's go back here and close out of that since it's useless. Okay, Downtown Seoul, 10 seconds. That's the one I have. So I don't have either of these. I'm going to copy it like that. Then I'm going to paste it in here, but then make sure I have the plus there. And that should be good. And plus there. And then take away those. I think that's right. 10-second. Yep. And then downtown 2. Okay, so I just need to add a 2. Because I believe this one. This seemed like more of chilling in the ship music. Okay. Like that. Excuse me. All right, so we got background music, right? I don't know. Let's try it. And we're probably going to have to crank down the volume. So we're going to have to put a filter on... We'll probably put a filter like we did like on this one. I'm just going to do it magically because I just know that it's going to be loud. And I'm going to be very conservative and put it down to a 1. I'm going to save it now.
You just obliterated them this round.
All right. So, we need to do something about that too. Whoop. This is not waterproof. Well, I guess plastic is waterproof, but it wasn't working right. APLA, Alexa. Even though the first A stands for Alexa, it's the easiest way to find it. All right. We want to be in there. We want to be in filters. Duration. Oh. No. That's a fade in. That's not what we wanted. We don't want to repeat. Excuse me. What? Trim parent. Trim to parent. Setting on a duration trims. Whoa. That's cool. Cool beans. We'll have to it's changed a bit since I've done APLA. We'll have to rearrange this, but still pretty dang cool. Okay, I think we put it right here. Like that. Like that. That. Like that. And then we're going to grab all the way up to here. So let's think about it. We want to mix it. I think it's, I want to mix it with this one. We want to mix it with both of these. We want to mix it with this one. Well, why do I have two selectors here? So I think we want to mix it with, actually, I don't want to put it there. Oh, I see. Okay, I see what I did there. All right, so I want it this one right here. Okay. I'll show what I'm doing here in a second. All right. So what I did here, I should really put it in a code editor so I can so it can make it look a little bit prettier. Oh, no, I was opening right there. And then new file battle.json. All right, I'm going to copy this all and then extract it and make it a little bit prettier. There we go. And then I'll go through it while it's in here. Oh yeah, I forgot. Ugh. Oh wait, no, I didn't do it. Okay, good. So what I just did is I mixed these speak outs right here with this audio, and then I trimmed this to the parent, which should be hopefully this one, unless it's talking about the selector, then that won't work. But we'll find out. And I did the same thing with this one down here. I put the audio below these speak outs. So let's see if it actually works.
You just obliterated them this round.
No, it did not trim to parent. It probably did trim to parent. It probably trimmed to the selector. So now the idea is, dang, that won't work. Oh, ooh, maybe. Huh?
You just obliterated them.
No.
We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round.
Hmm. I'm just trying something out here. You obliterated them this round. No, that won't work. Let's go back to this filter. Yeah, so it's just mixing these two. Like I said, I'm just trying something.
We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round. You just obliterated them this round.
That worked. Except it had to be right on. You had to mix it right here. I forget if it's. I forget when. If this is right or not. Oops.
We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round. We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round.
Yeah, that's not right. I think it's 1,000 is a second.
We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round.
So that was better. We got volume. Oh, fade out. That's what we wanted. Sure. We probably only want it to be 1,000, actually. Oh.
You just obliterated them this round.
Oh, what the? That one went all the way.
You just obliterated them this round.
Yeah, I don't know what just happened there.
You just obliterated them this round.
So what does everyone think about that? Can you even hear it? Should I fade out even more?
We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round.
I almost want it have even less volume. I think the 2 was alright. I don't even know if you can have 0.05. It's getting there, so it's not good. Oh, great.
We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round.
I think the other sounds need to be lowered a tad bit as well.
We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round.
You expect perfection. I thought you said accept.
We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round.
Should I shorten it some more? I mean, some people might say, why even have it? But I still think it adds a little flav, you know?
We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round. We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round. We can tell you are a space marauder, for you defeated them with ease this round. You just obliterated them this round.
I think eight is about right. Let's hear it.
The red dragon defeated you with ease. The red dragon defeated you with ease.
Yeah, I like it. Uh-oh. Oh. Oops. What? They didn't fix it? Oops.
The red dragon defeated you with ease.
doesn't like that, so we have to fix that. All right, all right, all right. Ah, I see. So that should be actually a something like that. We can get rid of one of these.
Unfortunately, we dragged you out of battlefield and we had to revive you. It costed you 100 credits to be revived. You now have 200 left.
Okay, so I think we can lengthen it to 10 seconds here.
Unfortunately, we dragged you out of battlefield and we had to revive you. It costed you 100 credits to be revived. You now have 200 left.
That was like perfect. It costed you? Yeah, doesn't that sound right? Does it sound like accosted? Accosted instead of it costed? It cost? Hell, duh. It cost. It cost you. Oh my gosh. Nice. I'm glad I actually caught it before I read your post. But thanks. Thanks, Oxygen Box. I'm looking at my other ones. Nope. All right.
You were killed, so we revived you, but you also killed the red dragon, so you got a new crate waiting for you in the cargo bay. But all you money went to healing you. Say,
Still,
go to cargo bay.
But all you money. But all your money. But all your money went to healing you. So go to... Oh. Say... Go to cargo bay. Go to the cargo bay. I mean, you could just say cargo bay. Nice.
Great job, you destroyed the red dragon. Your payment is on the way. Go back to the ship by saying, ship.
That seemed like it was cut off, didn't it?
Great job, you destroyed the red dragon, your payment is on the way. Go back to the ship by saying, ship.
There we go. It was cut off. This one actually was working. I didn't know that. Interesting. I can't, I don't know what else to do.
Great job, you destroyed the red dragon, your payment is on the way. Go back to the ship by saying, ship.
What is your thoughts on that? Should I leave it trim to parent? Or should I not trim to parent and just have it like I had it, where it was going for 10 seconds? This one sounds okay. So it sounds okay like this.
Great job, you destroyed the red dragon, your payment is on the way. Go back to the ship by saying, ship.
Or, now remember that. This.
Great job, you destroyed the red dragon, your payment is on the way. Go back to the ship by saying, ship.
Which one? You don't hear a difference? All right. Well, there is. If you can see my cursor here, so it cuts off on the trim to parent right here, and it doesn't have any of this. Oh, yeah. That is true. Where am I going? Great job. You destroyed. Maybe another exclamation mark, huh? I don't even know what will happen now.
Great job. You destroyed the red dragon, your payment is on the way. Go back to the ship by saying, ship.
I like that also by many things. But yeah, I like that. Good ear. Good ear.
By saying, ship. Great job.
Aw.
Go back to the ship by saying, ship. Great job. Go back to the ship by saying,
okay. Ah! I don't know how to get rid of this now. There. I don't know. There we go. Unfortunately, we dragged you out of the battlefield, comma, and had to revive you. It costed you... See, that's why I said costed. It cost you 100 credits to be revived. You now have 100 credits left. You were killed. So you were killed. So we revived you. But you had also killed. You killed, but you killed, but you also killed, but you also killed, but you had killed the monster, the red dragon. But you had killed the red dragon. So you get a new crate. So you have a new crate waiting for you in the cargo bay. But all your money went to healing you. But all the bounty, all of your bounty, all of the bounty went to healing you. Say, go to the cargo bay. Let's list them all. Now that I'm done officiating, I don't know what I was doing. Just reading them out loud. Whatever.
Unfortunately, we dragged you out of battlefield, and we had to revive you.
No. We dragged you out of battlefield. Unfortunately, we dragged you out of the battlefield, and we had to revive you. And we had to revive you.
Unfortunately, we dragged you out of the battlefield, and we had to revive you. It cost you 100 credits to be revived. You now have 200 left.
Listen to that one more time.
Unfortunately, we dragged you out of the battlefield, and we had to revive you. It cost you 100 credits to be revived. You now have 200 left.
Okay. That sounds good. Or did we just do this one? I don't remember.
Great job. You destroyed the red dragon. Your payment is on the way. Go back to the ship by saying, ship.
We did do that one. Once again, I have no idea how you can tie in this game. I don't think it's a possibility, but I have this in here just in case.
You were killed. So we revived you, but you had killed the red dragon, so you have a new crate waiting for you in the cargo bay. But all the bounty went to healing you. Say, go to the cargo bay.
I like it. I like doing a little dramatic interpretation of my writings once in a while. It's fun. All right, I think we're good for tonight. And speaking of that, I wrote a story with my son. I don't think I've told you guys this, but it's not very long. But you can kind of see that there's 4 different storylines, and I can kind of see this. Let me go to camera view. There we go. That's much better. So 4 different views of these characters. 4 different characters, And so that was it. Just 3 pages for one character. And I have 4 characters. They're all pets. It's going to be called Pet Tales. I am actually using Irreality's twist. It I'm liking it so far for this type of a venue, meaning a story which you can choose your own adventure story. Except this one has like funny, kid friendly questions. Like the first one, Puggy Wuggy turns on the TV. What will he watch? Food show or cartoons? Yes. It is like skill flow builder. Yep. Except or voice flow. But a lot less dramatic. I think I actually have it saved. So let me just bring it up here quick. It won't take long. I want to do a full show on this, but I'm going to be meeting with the owner of it on Friday again to go over some things. But yeah, here is Puggy Wuggy, full story from start to finish. Right there. So, I mean, there's different questions, and you get to choose different things. So the storyline will slightly change compared to which one you choose. The one thing I mean, there might be a way, and I just couldn't figure it out, is the variables thing. Is you can utilize variables, but I have some variables here, but they are. I don't think you can grab the variable. Oh. Sorry. Okay. Once again, you can't like show what the variable is. But anyways, this is Puggy Wuggy's story from start to finish. Not that long. And it's not supposed to be that long. But we're going to have 4 different characters you can pick from. And then, like I read one of the questions, which show is he going to watch? Food show or cartoons? It technically, I didn't even need this variables hook, but I did it anyways, just to show what it could do. Oh, excuse me. And then then there is a different question, and so each storyline you'll have a different. I mean, all of this will be skipped if you just go to the show right away instead of staying home. So, yeah, it's going to be stuff like that. Although Puggy Wuggy and I believe Chi-Chu are my longest storylines. The Tough Stuff, I believe, is the shortest. Tough Stuff is only 2 pages. Although I might have, skipped over some stuff because I was going to pull stuff from up here. And then Chichu is... Oh, he's only 2 pages. Maybe it's Perfume this longer. Yeah, it's Perfume. So Perfume is almost 3 pages. So Tough Stuff and Chichu kind of get the short end of the stick, but still, it's pretty fun. It's pretty fun. And the reason why I brought this up is because we're actually going to do voiceovers for all these characters. So the whole start to finish, you will never hear A's voice or Google's voice, because I'm going to be making this for Google and A. So I'm pretty excited about this, but I just need to now sit down and do the rest of these stories. It is a nice father-son project, yeah, for sure. And me and my son convinced my wife she's going to be voicing Perfume, so it's pretty cool. The whole family is involved. I don't know who. I think my son is going to do Tough Stuff, either Tough Stuff or Chichu. I can't remember. So I was going to do Puggy Wuggy, and then one of them that they don't, he doesn't pick, and then also like the beginning, which story. So I might also do some tidbits. Since I'm doing Puggy Wuggy's voice, I'm gonna be in Perfume's and probably Chichu's storyline, and maybe even Tough Stuff's. So I might have lines in every one of them. Right now, this does not cost me a thing, but I am a demo user or a beta user. But anyone can become a beta user. You just have to sign up. So you just have to sign up at Irreality. I believe that's how I did it. But yeah, look into it if you want to do a simple choose your own adventure type of story. One more thing I'll show you. This is how easy it is. You just save the audio with this formatting, and it will save to the same spot wherever that section is. So Puggy Wuggy gets to the contest and immediately starts looking around. PW. Hey, I wonder if one of these dogs... I'm not going to do that voice. Hey, wonder if one of these dogs... but anyways, it'll be hooked up to that section. It's that easy to add audio. You can also add images. I'm not really sure where these images are going, besides like the main background, but Code Blue, welcome. I didn't know there was a software development category. I thought it was just no, you know what? I forgot. I did actually it is. I just forgot. Yeah, but thank you, Code Blue. And welcome, by the way. Yeah, cool. But yeah, I'll have to remember that next week. But on my Sunday streams, I don't know when I do reviews, should I be chatting, or should it be under science and whatever I'm right now? Technology? What is your thoughts on that? Ooh, yeah, I like that. Hot tub and pool category. Funny. But no, for when I do the reviews on skills, anyone have thoughts on that? Since we're talking about it. And then I'm going to call it here. No thoughts? That's fine. I'll just figure it out. For this tonight, I would think it makes perfect sense. But I don't know about reviews when I do the skill review. I'm too lazy to turn off my device. That's why I kept on saying a skill review. But if you have any more, you can see all my stuff over there. You can follow me on all that, any of that, or all that. We do have the Discord link below if you want to join us on there. And if those who are in the Ethereum world, here you are. You can mint a NFT. I didn't view my awesome collection yet. This is my collection of NFTs. Excuse me. I think I can pull this up. I keep on diving more into this. Okay, good. I didn't have anything important up. All right, so doing stuff on the blockchain. I don't know if you knew, but it takes a lot of energy. And or a lot of, not energy. That's not what I was thinking of. A lot of bandwidth. I don't know. It takes. You have to be very meticulous. There we go. You have to be very meticulous with what or how you code things. So, there is not an easy way to get a random variable. B, it doesn't like a lot of code. So if you put on too much code on your contract, it will it'll stop. It will be like, this is costing you too much. So no, it's not going to work. And many other things. But so what I did is I created all these rectangles, making my own SVG. I created these all these rectangles, and I put them in an array. And then I have the beginning of the SVG up here. And then when I make the NFT, I call it make square, whatever. I go through this for loop, and which once again, very difficult to shuffle an array. I miss JavaScript so much than doing this. I shuffle the array up, so all those strings are shuffled up, so it's not the same array every time. And then I take the first 12 in that array, okay? And I put it in one string. I concatenate it with the end of the SVG with encode, ABI encode packed. That's what that does. So it makes the SVG. You think you're mind blown now? This is insane. This is insane. I will not do it justice, okay? You come down here. This is the final SVG. This is completed, right? It's just one string value, okay? But then you put it into here, which is a JSON. So once again, a string, but it's a JSON string. And then you wrap it in this base 64 encode. And it makes it look like this. It encodes it, that string, into a bunch of numbers and letters. And that's all you see. You don't see any code. It's insane. And that's what gets stored on the blockchain. So crazy. At least I think it's crazy. But yeah. So pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. All right. I've gone on long enough. My actually head is hurting, probably because of blowing my mind too many times. Hopefully you guys got something out of tonight. Thanks all for watching. We will be back here tomorrow with D&D if you're like D&D. If you do, join us tomorrow at 7 p.m. Central Time. Otherwise, we do Alexa reviews. Dang it.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
On Sunday at 3 p.m. Central Time. So join us for that as well. Have a good night.